Hi, today in front of me Vivo Y16 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's just open the settings application, and then we should tap to the lock screen and wallpaper section. Then tap to wallpaper and here click on this checkbox, tap to agree, click allow, and now we can see here all our default photos. We can use them. We can use also our local images on our device, the photos from our device gallery downloaded from the internet or previously taken on our device camera. Unfortunately, I have no any photos here. Also, we can download more photos just to use it just with the internet, but unfortunately I just not connected to the internet, so I'll show you how to use this one. So just to use the lock screen wallpaper, to change it we should select the wallpaper, tap to apply and click set to lock screen. Now we can see that we just applied it successfully. So now let's lock our device and we can see that we just successfully changed it. To change the wallpaper by another way, we should pinch with our fingers, tap on the left down corner to wallpapers, and by the same way select one from these wallpapers or click to the three dots, and by the same way use local images or download it more. For example, I'll just take a picture right now. So now let's go back here to the wallpapers, tap to local, let's select this one. Now we can here change the position of the wallpaper and click to lock screen. So now tap to the right upper corner, apply it successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.